Hello Stampers, I'm Dina Lansendorf at Inkin with Dink and welcome to this week's video. So since at least Monday and Tuesday was the last weekend of the month of April, today what I'm going to do for my live is to show you my paper pumpkin alternatives. This is for the April kit and these are the alternatives that I came up with. So if you're ready, I'm going to flip my phone around and we will get started. All right, so if you're not real aware of what Paper Pumpkin is, this is our monthly subscription box that you can subscribe to. And every month it has a craft project in it. Most of the time it is greeting cards. Sometimes it's other things like there's been home decor, there's been little goodie bag kind of things for holidays, all kinds of stuff. But like I said, the majority of the time it is for cards. Now, if you don't like the design it comes up with or the kind of cards that you make, then you can feel free to do whatever you would like. So what I like to do is I like to showcase the kit and then show you some of the alternative projects that I have come up with. So the April kit is called Delicate Wings. When you open up your box, everything's wrapped in tissue paper, so pretty. Then you open that and everything's wrapped in cellophane to keep it nice and in good shape. Then I like to pull out my instruction sheet. Okay? It'll have full color pictures of what your projects would look like. This month happened to be 3 different cards. You did 3 of each of them for a total of 9 cards. Then inside it goes through your step-by-step directions of how to make your cards, okay, or your projects. On the back, I love that it comes up with the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors because I always add either cardstock or ribbon or markers or whatever for my projects. The kit comes with everything you need, including most of the adhesives you're going to need. You get a stamp set every month as well as a small ink spot. And this one happened to be glue dots also. Then you have coordinating envelopes. Sometimes it's the flap, like in this case that's decorated. Sometimes it's the liners. It just kind of depends. So then what I do when I open up my kit is I like to go through and make one of each of the cards that the kit is intended to make. Okay, put these in the right order here. So I made this one here, which is beautiful. The gold foiling on these cards is super pretty too. I love all the butterflies. Made this one here. Again, lots of gold foiling. It's super, super pretty. And this butterfly actually kind of flops up on both sides. So cute. And then we have this one here that we made. This piece here is just a piece that you add on. What I did with mine is I didn't put adhesive at the top because I thought it would be great to stick a gift card in that you wanted to give to someone. Okay. Also, the kit comes with 3 of those, and I didn't use the other 2 on the outside of my cards because I'm going to put them inside of my cards also to hold gift cards. Okay. All right. So let's see what I came up with. So the cards that in the kit, they have the print on the front and back. So I almost always cut mine apart and use them to be layers on cards. And that's when you bring in your coordinating cardstock is to then use as your card base. I love the big die cut butterflies. I adhered them on just down the middle so that they pop up a little bit. And then I used dimensionals to pop up my greeting. I made this one too. I thought it was super cute. These were the rest of the card bases that I cut down for my scrapbook page that I will show you in a minute. And these were a couple of the extra scraps. So I just kind of laid them both on there, staggered them a little. Again, look at that gold on there. The butterfly die cuts were in the kit. They are also covered in gold. They are so pretty. Here is another take on the butterfly one. I just love the look of all the butterflies together. Only I pulled out the, what was that called? The mauve? See, now I can't remember my colors. Moody Mauve. I pulled that out for a card base for this one. And there are all my butterflies again. And then I did this one right here. Again, look at that gold foil on there. This was the background piece for this one. And I just added one of the die cut butterflies and did that. Okay. But I also wanted to share with you one of the other cards that I'm going to make, and how I did it, okay? And a little trick too. So this was, again, one of the card bases that I cut in half. This was a piece of gold foil that we had, and that was because they actually went, well, here, let me show you the card. It is actually the background for this right here, okay? Again, you don't have to use it for that. So what I thought I would do is put it on a card, but I wanted to bring some more of the gold up to the top of the card. So I just used our bow punch, bloop, punch that out, and you could do it because I'm also going to layer this on my card. And if you do it like that, you never even know that I actually use that to die cut, or not to die cut, but to punch an image out of for my card. So see, you can punch your stuff out of them and then strategically put them on there, and nobody knows that that's what you used. So let's put our adhesive on these and get them the way we like them. Okay. Then I'm going to put this down, but before I do, I'm going to kind of position it, but I want these to kind of poke out of there and maybe out of here. So let's adhere them down first. So if that's going to go there, I want this to go about there. And then this little guy, who's so cute and little, but he still is very important here on this card. Let's put him there. Then I can put my adhesive behind this one and pop it up right there. Okay. Then if I also want to include a butterfly, I might actually even pop him up. So let me grab a dimensional for the back of him. And I can pop him down. Where do I want him? Do I want him down there? I don't think so. I think I want him up here to be something like that. And so there's that. Okay, and I just thought that would be a really pretty sympathy card. Okay, all right, so those of you that watch my videos know that I always do a scrapbook page with my kit. Okay, so I decided that I wanted that gold foil down the side. So all I did was I cut, what is that, 3 inches off? 2.5 inches down one of my card. So you can see the kind of fold line right here. And then I cut another piece to go down so that it just took one card, basically one card base, to put that along the side. Then I did the butterflies and pulled out some of the Lost Lagoon paper and thought these would be super cute pages to do just for an any occasion kind of thing. So I like to, when I'm scrapbooking and I have pictures that aren't for any particular kind of a occasion or a celebration or anything, I just like pages like this that are done that I can slap them on, put a title that's appropriate, and then I've got that taken care of. So there is that. All right, so there you go. There are all of my projects that I created, and I've still got pieces left that I need to do something with, put together. But these are all of my projects from this kit. Love the butterflies. I think it is so pretty. If you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will catch you next time.